Installing the operational conveyor belt wrap on your Vollrath vertical contact bun toaster is easy and requires no tools. This instructional video covers the recommended procedures. To begin, turn off and unplug the unit, allowing it to cool completely. Once cool, loosen the thumb screws and lift the top cover off the unit. Next, remove the front and back panels by lifting upward and sliding out. Adjust the crown and heel knobs to maximum width. Slide the belt wrap into the unit with the end flap facing the platen. Then, feed the belt wrap into the bun chute. Squeeze the belt chain together and place 2 belt chain clips. Pull the belt wrap up and under the crown heel adjustment chains. Again, squeeze the belt chain together and place the 2 remaining clips. Front and back clips must be 1 linkage apart, as shown here. Reinstall the front and back panels and top cover. Secure by tightening the thumb screws. Plug the unit in, then rotate crown and heel knobs until spacing matches approximate bun thickness. Your toaster is now ready to power on and use. To learn more about your vertical contact bun toaster, visit us online at vollrathfoodservice.com.